What we have here is the Heineken. It's actually a fridge. This was actually like a giveaway. You couldn't actually buy these. Heineken will give these to some of the distributors and things. This is for their new can design. This is never used. 2 racks for your beer, wherever you want to put it as you spin around. So you can get those ones in the back. Door spring loaded. It shuts by itself. Even has the pull top on it. And this does lift off. Your fan assembly and stuff in there. Actually comes in the original box also. There's a styrofoam and cardboard packaging and the plastic wrap over the fridge itself. Excuse me. There's the AC adapter here. The unit doesn't work. I did try it out. That plugs into the back along with your owner's manual. Really, really cool item. If you got a bar in your basement or your garage, this is awesome. Really, really neat piece. Like I said, you couldn't just buy one of these things. So it's pretty cool.